How's it going, guys? We're back after the Easter break. It's now the 3rd of April 2018 and we're into these long ones. If you see these long ones here, we've got these long posts here. They're 75 by 75 by 6 mil, so they're reasonably heavy. And we've got the ones out the outside of there, some more down the back. So we've just taken photos for the engineer to show that all the holes are clean. And of course, starting off for our builder friend Tao, paying forward. Okay, Frank, fill her up. Our first load in the hole. Alright, now post goes right there, just on that side of the lines. So yeah, our line's still going. The boys have cleaned out all the holes at the back there, so we've got enough done to do this whole unit now, so we can finish all those. So see how we go today. It's already after lunch. I came through over Easter. I painted that on Saturday because of the rain that kept on coming through. We had a day with no rain, so painted those. It's the Thursday before Easter. It was raining and we couldn't paint them, so come through, did all that. And now we're into it. We'll get this unit finished today and tomorrow, and then on to the next one. As we get that done, we're going to try and get them all finished. I've still got another 8 holes to drill yet, so I've got to get a machine over here during the week and get some more holes drilled and get the engineer out again. Okay, talk to you guys again soon, and we'll show you that thing standing in a little while. Alright, talk soon, bye.